Good morning.
Good morning. We had an interesting morning. We woke up and were told that someone was noting down all the numbers of the vans because there was too many vans there. So we're unsure if we're going to get fined or not.
Yeah.
Which will be fun.
Looking online though, it does seem like most of the fines are immediate rather than like shipped in the post.
We didn't have anything on the van, so we'll see. But we moved out the way anyway, just to have a nicer view for breakfast.
Yeah.
And just because we didn't want to be there anymore. But this morning we are going to go and explore Otago Peninsula, which is the coast and that island over there, part of Dunedin area. We're going to go see if we can see some albatross and see some other natural sights around here. Pretty little bay.
Not so little.
Lovely bay. It was a really nice beach back there as well. We saw some divers. See lots of wildlife in the water here. To the Royal Albatross Centre parking. And we're gonna try and go see if we can go to the cliff top viewing access.
Now you're not allowed to camp here obviously, but I wouldn't want to because
oh, it smells like birds.
And you'd be serenaded all night.
Yeah. But yeah, let's see what we can find without paying for an albatross tour. Could be albatross up there, could be seagulls. So we had a little look in the centre, nice and interesting. The only way I think of viewing the albatross, unless it's really windy and they come out here, is they do tours, but it's like $62 for half an hour. It's not worth it, actually. Yeah, they're just the albatrosses behind on the cliff down there. There's also Pilot's Beach. Sometimes there's seals, and then in the evening you can see the penguins if you do a tour. See them come aboard, but it's a lovely beach anyway. You can see all the pure white sand on that strip over. Yeah, I think we're going to go over to the pyramids and Victory Beach now. So we've come over the peninsula, found a nice gravel track for a bit. Lovely scenery, sheep. We're going to go walk over there to see the pyramids, and then we can go further to Victory Beach.
Alex was saying the environment around here, it just looks so different to where we've just been, the cliff faces and the beach. It feels much more like the area that's around Hobbiton, which is all farmland, but it's that sort of kind of just gradual hills and very different. It looks like the pipes we went to yesterday in terms of the rock. It's pretty cool. Hey, made it to the beach. That's nice. It's a very, very quiet beach. As in, there is no one here except us. No one here.
That is some cold water. Yeah, it's beautiful, stunning. Sometimes there's sea lions and they hide in their dunes and stuff. I can't see any at the minute. And we've got to climb back up there somehow.
Hey, so we're heading back to the van now, and we're going to potentially drive to a different beach.
Yeah, go to Sandfly Bay, which is Sandfly because Sandfly's on the dunes, not the beaches.
Not the annoying little fly that bites the ever-living shit house. Doesn't mean there's not sandflies. But yeah, no, this was a lovely beach. Bit of a pain to get to, but still.
There is a track.
There is a track, it's just back and forth and up and down. So yeah, I'll see you at Sandfly Beach.
Nice views on the way to Sandfly Bay. Windy roads again. Down to Sandfly Bay. Pretty.
Hi! So that is Sandfly Bay, or Bay of Flying Sands, it's also called. We're not going to walk down because it's quite far and it's all sandy, and we'll walk to the other one instead.
Yeah.
So we are going to drive. Where are we going?
So have a look at the St. Clair hot water pool.
Oh yeah.
Decide if we want to
Potentially do that.
swim, and then if not, we're going to try and go further down to a Wacker freedom campaign,
Yeah.
so that we don't have such a long drive tomorrow.
Yeah. But let's just see you on the road.
Just arrived in Wacker and we're the first for the freedom campaign. Even got a dump station. And yeah, it's quite good. They give you all the information.
But it's a trial, like they're saying it's a trial site, so basically don't fuck it up.
A pub offers it, and there's like a little museum and library, a boat, and a nicer mower than the one we had before.
Oh, pretty dirty when you look at it straight on.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah.
So we have some friends outside the van. It's the gang. They're all here. Can I help you? So me and my friends here, we're gonna call this video here, and we'll see you in the next video, guys.